Just a quick video. I just realized a couple days ago that I don't have recovery points on the front of my Jeep. I did have a Stinger at one point, EVO Stinger, that kept hitting stuff as I crawled up it, so I got rid of it, and I didn't realize that the D-ring mounts went with it. So I'm going to be installing some D-ring mounts for EVO quarter pounder front bumper. Alright, I got a 3/4 deep socket and a 3/8 Allen that's a little bent. It's the only one that fit, and we're just going to take it off. Got one D-ring mount done. Pretty easy. I still got to do the other side. But now at least I have some recovery points. Thanks for watching.